Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I am going to show you how you can duet a video on the TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok. Once you are in here, you have to select a video which you want to duet with. Once you select the video, you have to click on this arrow button. And here is the option of the duet. You have to click on it and wait for it to open. Now once you are in here, you have many options. First of all, you can select the effects. Here you have many effects, you have to select any one. Once you select the effect, you have to record a video of many seconds that you want. Once you record a video, you have to click on the stick button and then go on the next. And here you can watch this video or put in your draft. So yeah, this is how you can duet a video on the TikTok.